In today's video, we will be learning facial expressions with meanings and sentences. Grin, grin. The girl had a big grin on her face when she saw her friend. Frown, frown. She had a deep frown on her face when she heard the bad news. Scowl, scowl. An angry or displeased face expression. He had a scowl on his face when he was frustrated with his employers. Giggle, giggle. She had giggles on her face when she was sharing a funny joke. Pout, pout. Sad or sulky face. The child had a pout on her face when she didn't get what she wanted. Wince, wince. A face expression that shows pain or discomfort. She had a wince on her face when she gets a injection. Blink, blink. A face expression that shows surprise or confusion. She had a blink on her face when she heard the unexpected news. Smirk, smirk. A face expression that shows a mixture of smile and sneer. He had a smirk on his face when he thought he won the argument. Snee, snee. A face expression that shows contempt or disgust. He had a snee on his face when he saw the dirty room. Leer, leer. A face expression that shows a sly or suggestive smile. He had a leer on his face when he was flirting with her.